All right, guys. You're welcome to yeah our podcast from ABC Shoes. Here in the city of Jos. So we are the global shoemakers. We do things that everybody want to wear. You understand? When it comes to fashion, we are the best in the industry. You understand me? Coming straight from the city of Jos, we have myself in the house. I have Josh Para. We got Josh Para in the house. So what's up, bro? How you doing, bro?
My boss.
Yeah, how's it going?
On Jesus.
Oh yeah. Same like me. So like I said, we just want to talk about some of the things we do in the shop here. You understand me? So it's so many issues for our customers, and we really want to know and hear from fellow shoemakers like Josh Para, like Agibu Giallo. What's up? What can you say about the whole shoemaking industry? What have you learned? How is the business like? In case you want to advise people coming into the world of shoemaking, what can you tell them? Okay, Josh Para, let's talk.
Actually, shoemaking is very nice, very cool. But yeah, at first there are some challenges too as well about the front line.
Front line.
Yeah, everything
Yeah,
will be cool.
man.
Everything will be cool.
Okay.
But once you have the interest in it, and if you like it,
Yeah.
if you have the passion, yeah, you enjoy doing the shoe or making the shoes. Like now, we make like clean shoes, like handmade but looks foreign.
Yeah.
Clean.
Handmade, but
Yeah, the best
foreign. Yeah. All right. So can you tell us sorry, I forgot to ask, like just can our viewers get to know who they are talking with? Yeah, Stan. Let's get to know you first, before you can now proceed with your.
Josh, aka Josh Para.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm a student from the University of Jos.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Josh Para. You're a student from the University of Jos here in Nigeria. You understand? Okay, and he's also a celebrity shoemaker. You understand? Steve's shoemaker. You understand me? So, all right. For normal information, he's still a single guy. In case you're crushing, you understand? You're free to crush. Crushing is for free. Yeah, but to be in a relationship, you pay. You understand me? Yeah. All right, bro. So, can you tell us the journey? When did you start the journey of shoemaking, and what inspired you into the craft of shoemaking?
Actually, the journey, first time when I was learning the shoe, I almost gave up. I didn't even understand what I was doing, like for almost 2 weeks.
Okay.
But later on, I started seeing things and understanding what I'm doing.
Okay.
It's just like step by step.
Okay.
In starting, you just have to stand and watch.
Okay.
If you concentrate, you understand what boss is doing. Yeah.
Okay. So
to your mind, you understand that. Yeah.
Okay. So can you? What was your hardest? What was the hardest thing for you to learn when you first came out? What was that thing? That particular thing that was just so hard for you to understand. You understand?
Drawing pattern.
Pattern. Yeah.
And this faceless. Fiber.
Okay.
With lasting.
Yeah. Okay. So first is the pattern drafting. Yeah. Okay, then how to trace fiber and faceless. How to place fiber and faceless. Is there any other thing you find difficult up to this point? Is there any other thing that you think that it's so difficult to learn in this craft?
I've learned a lot, sure.
Okay.
It's like up to now, I'm still finding it very difficult to draw that pattern.
Okay, pattern.
Yeah, that's
so pattern. So is it that you believe that pattern drafting is difficult, or
actually it's not difficult, but I'm not like put my mind in there. It's like
okay. For someone that wants to come into shoemaking now, so what would be the first thing you tell the person to learn?
To learn how to draw pattern.
Yeah. Okay. So all right. So one thing I want to also ask you again is that do you think the modern age a shoemaker should be looked down upon in this modern age?
Like in a very serious note, even like shoemakers that they are looking down at any more than salary because in a day you can make up to like even 100,000
in a day, yeah,
or more. But you, like, you are working in like what kind of company they are paying you 50,000 monthly or even 100,000
in the month.
doesn't make sense at all.
Yeah.
So even when I was in school, my lecturer even he was advising us that we should learn handmaking too. Like,
Yeah.
handwork.
Handwork.
Yes.
Yeah.
Lecturer, somewhere outside the school, was even advising us that we should learn handwork. If you can imagine, because I'm not
All right.
your mind for salary or you don't fuck up.
All right. Okay. So in essence, you're trying to say that even if you have a government job or something, you should also try to join it with handwork. You understand? So okay. So for someone that is still thinking whether to learn handwork or a trade because of how dirty the work might looks like, or maybe what people feel about the job, what would be your own encouragement to such person?
That's bullshit. If you think of like you have to be dirty in work you are doing, that means a thief you will end up because no matter the kind of work you are doing, you cannot be ashamed of what you are doing. That's why you are earning in that.
Yeah.
So you cannot be ashamed of anything at all.
Okay. It's okay. All right. There are a lot of questions to ask. Well, thank you for granting us the interview. So, what will be your encouragement to any person, to our viewers? What will you tell them? Like, what will you encourage outside shoemaking, just in life? What can you encourage somebody that's watching you today?
But now like advise people again. Just later you go advise yourself. But I'll just tell you should just be focused.
Okay.
Put your mind in what you want to do and you achieve your game. You're in.
Yeah, all right. So thank you very much. So say bye bye to our viewers. Yeah, big shout out Josh Para. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you for coming to our podcast in ABC Shoes. So can you just help us tell viewers to subscribe to our channel and also share our videos, Josh Para?
Yeah. Let me even show some.
Okay, you want to show us something?
Yeah, you can see this look like foreign.
Yeah, this is so amazing.
Even the finishing.
Can you take it up? Okay.
The finishing, everything perfect. Nice.
Yeah.
So you can follow us for more.
ABC Shoes.
See more
on YouTube, on TikTok. We are ABC Shoes.
TikTok, YouTube,
everywhere,
Facebook.
Yeah,
you can
just follow us.
Follow.
All right,
like.
All right. Thank you
Comment
very much.
well.
Thank you very much. Really, the fact that you came to our podcast today, God bless you. We hope to see you again. We hope to bring you to the spotlight again, so that you can keep encouraging our young viewers to put, even if you're an adult, as long as it's going to earn you some money, learn something. In real sense, Josh Barra is telling us today to learn something for ourselves. Even if you're a government worker, learn a trade, learn a skill, because these things can fetch you more money than you ever think or imagine. God bless you, and thanks for watching us today. Bye for now. Remain your Mr. Jeremiah Ade. Bye for now.